Okay, let's try to solve Leetcode problem number 2706. Buy 2 chocolates. Now you are given an array integer array prices representing the price of various chocolates in a store. You are also given a single integer money which represents your initial amount of money. Now we have to exactly buy 2 chocolates like in a such way that the leftover money will be non-negative integer. Now you would like to minimize the sum of the prices of the 2 chocolates you buy. So this is the most important line, like you would like to minimize the sum of the prices of the 2 chocolates you buy. Now at the end, we have to return the amount of money you will have left over after buying exactly 2 chocolates. Exactly 2 chocolates. So if there is no way you can buy 2 chocolates, if there is no way we can buy chocolates, and if the number we got is a negative number, so we have to return money. Now let's say that now let's look at this example with prices array and money is 3. So let's say that we bought these 2 chocolates. So let's sum up the two integers, we'll get 3, and the money we had was 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0, and we'll return 0. Now let's look at another example. Let's look at this example. We have prices and a money array, money integer. So now as you can see that if we'll sum any two integers, the sum will be greater than whatever money we have. So we'll return money from here. As I already told you that you will like to minimize the sum of the prices of the 2 chocolates you buy. Now how do you minimize the sum of any two numbers in an array? So we can pick up the first 2 elements from the sorted array. Is there that we have to sort the array in case to pick up the 2 smallest number. So once the array is sorted, so our array will look like something like 2, 3 and 3, and let's check these 2 numbers, and if we'll sum, we will get 5, and 3 minus 5 is minus 2, which is a negative number, so we'll return 3 from here. So let's code this approach. Now we sorted the array, and we'll check if money minus the sum of first 2 smallest integer is a negative number. So if it is a negative number, we'll return money, else we'll return money minus the sum of 2 smallest number. Now let's run. Indeed, the solution got submitted. So let's talk about the time complexity here. So the time complexity here is order of n log n since we are sorting the array, and the space complexity here is order of 1 since we are not using any extra space. Since we know that we have to take two smallest numbers from an array, so we don't really need to sort the array. So instead of sorting it, we can declare two numbers, that is min1 and min2, and then we'll loop through the array. So after looping it, we can find two variables, that is min1 and min2, and then we'll subtract it from money. So let's code this approach. Now in this approach, we'll declare two integers with maximum values. Now we have to loop through the array, and we'll check if we got smaller element than these two. So once we got the smaller elements, the two minimum elements in the array, we'll check if the money minus the sum of two smallest number is less than 0, means it's a negative integer, so we'll return money, else we'll return money minus the sum of two smallest number. Now let's see. Indeed, the solution got submitted. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.